Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself, I am Lokus Jogi. I have completed MSc in Agriculture, Seed Science and Technology, Specialization Seed Science and Technology from HNB Central University, Srinagar, Uttarakhand in 2020. I have got 52 rank in PhD program Seed Science and Technology from Indian Council of Agricultural Research (ICR) All India Entrance Examination for Admission in 2021. Today I am going to tell about the topic seed production of leaf, fruit and stem vegetables. Lettuce. Climatic requirements. Lettuce require a relatively long, cool 12 to 18 degrees Celsius growing season, particularly cool right and low rainfall at harvest time. High temperature are undesirable. Heading is prevented and shooting to seed induced at temperatures between 21 to 26 degrees Celsius. Lettuce is a susceptible to frost. Land requirements. Land to be used for seed production shall be free of volunteer plants. In addition, the soil of selected fields should be well drained, fertile and with high organic matter. Isolation requirements. Lettuce is a minorly self-pollinated but 1 to 6% cross-pollination due to insect has been reported. Seed fields must be separated from fields of other varieties and fields of some variety not conforming to varietal purity requirements of certification at least by 50 meters for foundation seed production and 25 meter over seed certified seed production. Brief culture practices. 1. Time of sowing October. 2. Preparation of land same as for spinach. 3. Source of seed. Often nucleus are breeder or foundation seed from source approved by seed certification agency. For seed rate, nursery sowing 0.5 to 0.75 kg per hectare. 5. Sowing and transplanting. The seeds may be sown in raised nursery beds in row 3 to 4 centimeter apart and seedlings later transplanted at the distance of 30 to 45 centimeter multiply 20 to 30 centimeter when they are 5 to 6 weeks old. 6. Fertilization requirements vary with the soil applied 20 to 25 ton FYM 125 kg superphosphate at the time of soil preparation and 250 kg ammonium sulfate as top dressing in two doses early spring and May when the stalks emerge. 7. Irrigations and interculture. Frequent hoeing and weeding is necessary for proper aerations of soil and the keep and to keep down the weeds. Water should be supplied to keep uniform moisture conditions in the soil. Drainage is important of supplying irrigation for excess of soil moisture may causes rotting. At tearing or making cut in hay types, in the hay types a slight cut or tearing the upper leaves by hand help the seeds start to emerge easily. 9. Insect and disease control. Aphids are the most troublesome insect pest and on lettuce the use of 3 to 4% nicotine dust give satisfactory control if applied when the temperature is around 18 to 21 degrees Celsius. Rogging. Lettuce varieties fall into groups namely headings type and loose leaf types. In first group there are cabbage heads type having strips, leaf and heads cabbage type, butter head types having soft smooth leaves usually do not form the type of head typical of cabbage type and cosstips type having upright, cylindrical and rather thin heads. The second group loose leaf types are non-heading and varieties differ in leaf shapes and sizes. Rogging should be completed before watering starts starts in loose head varieties or when heading is complete in heading varieties direct bolters ill-formed plants off-type plants diseased plants affected by mosaic yellow mosaic and wild plants should invariably be removed from time to time is required. Harvesting and threshing. Lettuce seeds ripen unevenly and fully mature seed set readily. It is undesirable advisable to harvest when 30 to 50% of the seeds in the heads so white peppers of fluff and good number of heads and opening have turned brown or dark brown but have not sown out the papas. The plants are cut by hand and left to dry on the ground for a few days. Later, the seeds are collected by gently shaking them. In the case of feeding varieties such as Great Lakes, which do not produce flowering shoots so profusely, it may be desirable to collect the seeds periodically by shaking the tops and collecting the seeds from the brushed out heads in trays. Seeded the leafy types usually produce 500 to 600 kg per hectare. However, the variety grade types produce only 100 to 125 kg seed per hectare. Thanks.